Well, I got down to this. I got the new shaft in. It's not connected or anything, but I greased it up. I just laid it in place. I still got a lot more to do. I have one broken clamp. And I don't know what I'm gonna do about that yet. I don't know. I tried to fix the other one with JB Weld, but that didn't work. So I got all this shit to put back, but like you noticed, it's just that I only got the shaft tomorrow. Napa is supposed to deliver the shifter handle, so but probably tomorrow this will be done. But you know, there's a lot of stuff. Anybody who got one bad, one loose column shifter, 10 to 1, the fucker broke on you. It is the broken part. This is one of the broken parts. This is the one up by the shifter lever. This one broke close to where the bell crank part is that pulls in and pushes the shifter cable. So unless you guys got plenty of money and you can pay somebody to do this, then this is what they're in for. You know what I mean? Mechanics ain't cheap nowadays. You know, if you take them to a dealer and they freaking soak you. Last time I checked, and this was like in '93 or something. '93, I think it was '93 or '94. One shop was $100 an hour. My baby brother's good friend, $99 an hour. That is what you're looking at, and these 2 hours, believe me, it's a very drawn out process. So beware of this stuff. If you can do it yourself, do it. You come out cheaper. You know, if you got a busted clamp like I do, then you're gonna have to do some cannibalism. You know, you're gonna have to do some cannibalism. You're gonna have to go and into junkyards and strip cars and stuff to find these the hoops and stuff. I'm fortunate enough that I have that Ford Windsaw over there. I'll pull out the column and I will see if those hoops and if the shaft is the same size. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to resort to the next thing and from the rear universal of this truck, there's steel hoops similar to this. And if I have to, I'll take the ones from the banana because I know it'll last a long time. It ain't gonna break. So, like I said, this is what you're in for. You gotta open up. You gotta open it all up. You gotta drop your steering shaft down. If you got a van, and this is especially for E350s, I still got more parts. That has to go back. You know what I mean? These are E350s. You guys are the F350s and F250s, 150s, or whatever. You guys got them easy. You know, you guys got them easy. But I know in my life, God never gave me nothing easy. You know, he gave me things rough. You know. So for now, you can look at my small destruction here. You know, keep in mind, people, is what you're looking at doing. Until next time, Chief out.